Okay, I want to show you this new facial animation technology I'm working on, and this is my progress so far. And basically I'm mixing multiple ways to do these facial animations, and the original idea came from Max Payne, where in Max Payne they had 4 different textures to exchange in-game based on different triggers. So we had like the default, the grim, wounded, and the death. But Max Payne did not have any other face animation. But I kind of really like the way how like the characters look like still. It just looks really realistic and artistically looks awesome, I think. But I really miss the way that the facial animation technology was really basic. Then I discovered really like SWAT 3, and I really like the way SWAT 3 works for the eye movement. It just looks so cool, like the having like more realistic eye movements, or like the best realistic eye movements I ever seen. And what they did is basically they had the same like one face texture, and they added 2 masks. One is for the eye and one is for the mouth. And they also created one expression image or expression atlas with all the different expressions for the eye. So we have like 6 eye expression. One is the eye left, eye right, close, the blinking, and also have 4 different mouth movements. And what they do is basically all of these images have a x and y coordinates with a width and height, and basically like in the mask they just moving this image based on the coordinates, so it's kind of like always like sliding over the top. And I really like this idea, and I wanted to kind of mix these 2 ideas. And so like you have neutral eyes, angry eyes, surprised eyes, blinking eyes, eyes looking left, eyes looking right, left, neutral mouth, small mouth, medium mouth, wide mouth. And I started to kind of experiment with this rhubarb lip sync. It's not fully finished, but what it does, you can have an audio file like a WAV, and based on the WAV it will create a value like a timestamp value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and X, so 9 values based on this animation technology called rhubarb. So I have like this demo.
This is a demonstration of the lip sync abilities of my jack-o'-lantern app.
And
this is a demonstration of the lip sync abilities of my jack-o'-lantern app.
This is like not fully working, but that's the idea. So what I did, because based on this one, as you see, like you have the eyes, you have the mouth, and also the quality is not that great, and like we want to have like a really good quality. So I had this idea to, from 128 times 128 go up to 512 or even 1024, and basically with that like making the image bigger, I had more space and more bigger image quality basically. So I was able to add the same, like neutral eyes, angry eyes, surprised eyes, blinking eyes, eyes looking left, eyes looking right. So all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyes and 4 mouths from the same idea. But with this I was able to add the new rhubarb animation for the mouse moving. So we have like 4 mouse, basic mouse, but also when the character speaks, all these will be shown. And I started to put together this demo for the NPC. So it shows like, you know, moving the eyes, blinking, similar like what you've seen here. So I try to replicate this kind of same eye movement, and it happens randomly, but also you have ability to, you know, add new animations. The mouse is moving as well based on the mood and based on what the character will speak. But essentially, like, what I want is when the character speaks, it will overwrite and it will show the correct mouse
This is a demonstration
shapes.
of the lip sync abilities of my jack-o'-lantern app.
Us to basically use the same idea but for live lip sync reading. So I kind of like started to put together this code where, you know, like you speak to the microphone and it will create chunks in web, and the web will be created to, it's like a live stream from your live audio input. It creates like a live chunk web. It goes into processing the rhubarb lip sync, then it will put out the JSON file value, and based on the JSON file value it will just change the way the character mouse shape is, so which shape it is here. And this will work in multiplayer as well, so it's pretty cool, I think.